Hello children, how are you? I hope you will be fine. So today our picture and our drawing will be Cinderella. So I'm gonna make a beautiful Cinderella for you. So you have to just look how I make it and you have to repeat, okay? So first of all, we make a beautiful smile of Cinderella here. Okay, and then we have to make it the little U shape. So this is I'm making the mouth, so we have to dark it more, and now aside two eyes we have to make here one little bit. You have to make it bigger. Okay, so now you have to make one more little circle inside. This is the white part of her eyes, and you have to fill it the remaining part. So now I'm filling it, and if you see it's I'm making fast, you can stop and make a pause and make up again. So the eyelashes is very important. Without eyelashes it's not good. What do you think about that? So now I have made a beautiful mouth. Now it's turn to make a face. We will start from here. It's not a U, but it's a little bit a tray shape. Okay, so now we have to make a upper side of head, and it should be a little bit. We have to start here and make a U. We have to connect it the other side. Okay, so this is it's looking amazing. So now it's turns to make inside. So we have to make one more inside, and be careful because of it's little bit. Yup, so we have made it in part as well. So now it's for making a design of hair. It should be here a C type. Yup. So it should be dark. So I have made it this, and now you have to complete here. So now for making a design here, here. Okay, so and little bit here and little bit here. So now it's turn to make a here inside. So now I'm making the line from here to the right side because of making the here, and one more I will make it. So I have to connect here. Okay, so it's the same part we will do with the here. Okay, and here as well. So now it's turn to make like here we have to make the ears. We have to make it. So this is the ear, C type ears. So both should be almost same because it should be look. And now it's turn to make earrings. Yeah, beautiful earrings. Without earrings, Cinderella is not complete, you know very well. So now it's turn to make a body. Okay, so we have to come down here. It should be equal. Okay guys, okay children. So now it's turn to make arms. Okay, then we have to make here. Okay, and then it's sleeves. We have to make it should be a little bit longer because Cinderella has to hold her dress. Okay, so it should be okay. So it should be round. Okay, so now it's time to make here we have to make it the dress part. Okay, and here should be a necklace. Okay, this is the necklace of Cinderella, and now we are going to make the other side of body. So here should be V type. When you think about that it's little bit fast, you can pause the video and you can make step by step it, then it will be easy for you. Okay childrens, so now we have to make the dress. So we will start from here and going to here and going to here. Okay, so Cinderella hold her dress, so we can connect here, and the same thing we have to do here. Here stop, and these should be almost same, because of without same it's not great. So here, and we have to connect here, and we have to connect here. Okay, so now the down part of the Cinderella dress, so we don't have to connect it, and we have to this up and down line. Okay, so now this inside, it should be inside, and it should be little more down, because of we can easily make the dress of Cinderella. So now it's make a part to here dress design. Okay, you have to make the design. So you can see it's looking so amazing, Cinderella. So okay, now we have to make a light. This is a Cinderella's feet. Yeah, okay, so now we have to connect the dress. Okay, so here, okay, you have to imagine that it's behind the feet, it's going and going. Yep, here we had to make the hair, and now it's turn to make wrinkles. So you know when someone hold the dress, it's some wrinkles. Yeah, so these are the wrinkles of Cinderella's beautiful dress, and we should be here as well, some draw. Okay, so now it's make a beautiful design here as well. So now guys, you can see your beautiful Cinderella is ready to go to party and go to wedding anniversary and her weddings as well. So now it's turn to color it, and now we meet in color. You can pause here and you can go with us. Okay, So guys, you can see your Cinderella is ready to going to wedding, going to party, whenever, wherever you want to go with Cinderella, you can go. So it's looking very amazing, classic. And if you want to change the color, if you don't like these colors, you can change your color as you think it's better. I can see, I can do, then you can do. So the thing is that you have to enjoy every time while drawing. So the fun part is that you should be enjoy, no, only enjoy. And then please subscribe my channel, and please stay safe at home and wherever you go. Until the next video, we will meet in next video. Thank you for watching. Take care children. Bye bye.